Welcome back to Elite Exotic Essentials. My name's Edward. Here go my mom, Learning with Rocky and Alita. We're back again with another video. So I know what you're thinking, where I've been for the past 2 weeks. Well, I have no excuse. I just been, somewhat procrastinating, but I'm back now. So what I'm telling you, the best pancakes you can make on the market and the best materials you need. So pretty much, what you need to make these pancakes, you really need, well, the best pancakes you can make is cinnamon pancakes. And how I made these pancakes were
cinnamon fritters.
Cinnamon fritters, but really they look like cinnamon flavored pancakes. So pretty much how I made these pancakes, well, my mom, she made these pancakes, but I was the originator of this idea. I'm the originator. So how I did it was we had like one cake mix, I think from Walmart, where you just have to add water to it. So after I add water to the mix, I added some cinnamon to it. After I added some cinnamon to the pancakes, I pour them in a like what you need to make pancakes. You gotta put them in a pot with a spatula, and then you just make them. They come out pretty good, and it doesn't really take that much. And recently I've been using Bisquick. Bisquick is a good brand to use because you can also make biscuits. I can talk about that in the next video. Biscuits are the best. And yeah, these are the best pancakes you can make on the market. Cinnamon pancakes or cinnamon fritters. Salute. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.